Well, thank you for joining us today. This is Northcraft Analytics, business intelligence application for ServiceNow. Northcraft Analytics is a provider of business intelligence applications for IT. We cover 10 process areas today. We're not another proprietary BI platform in that we run on nearly any industry standard BI platform with our whole app-based XMLA BI applications. We have over 2,000 metrics and key performance indicators. We handle real-time and unstructured data, which some people refer to as big data, but I refuse to do. We deploy our BI applications on-premise or in the cloud via Amazon EC2. Thank you for joining us today. We are going to be answering a question that has been burning in our hearts, all of our IT operations and support lives. The question is, how do I know they love me? That is, our executives. In terms of our business value, the business value of our group specifically. So we're going to begin with the question of volume, looking at incidents closed. And when you first click on a measure in Northcraft Analytics, you'll see that it is unfiltered. This is every incident in the database, of which we have 424,688. What we want to do next is highlight the groups from within ServiceNow Incident Management that have handled the most volume as a starting point. So we will do that by sorting from largest to smallest. We're leveraging this hierarchy, which uses the assignment group field, the assigned to field, and incident number that allows you to drill down to the incident. So we are using the assignee hierarchy, and we can see here that the service desk has handled the most incidents, which is not uncommon. Or, so I don't use a double negative, that is common. Next, we're going to bring in the priority from our incident dimension here, and that is an attribute within the dimension, and that's really just a fancy way of saying a field or column from a table. Okay, so we're going to drag that into the columns to create us a matrix view. And that matrix view is very helpful for using with columns that have a very few number of potential instances in the series. So priority is a perfect one for that. Okay, and as we see now here, when we bring in priority into the picture, we have a totally different picture here. We see that operations and systems engineering here handles most of the critical incidents. And that's the reason why most large IT organizations have a separate operations center, or NOC it's commonly referred to, or DOC even these days, the Digital Operations Center, to handle those critical incidents. Okay, next what we want to do is turn this into a top 10 pivot table. What that's going to do is make it a lot easier to visualize in our bar chart. So we're going to choose our measure. We're going to do a top 10 of incidents priority critical. And now we can see those 10 groups. So the visualization will make a lot more sense here. And I want to give myself a little bit more room, so I'm hiding the field list. So let's insert our bar chart, and we're going to go with the 100% stacked column. That allows you to show composition a lot more easily and quickly. And so we're just going to make that a little bit larger. And now we can see visually here that the MedHost support group, which is one of the critical healthcare applications in our organization, is among the most critical in fact. And we can choose some different chart options to enhance our visualization, use data labels, data callouts, add legends automatically with some of those pre-formatted chart styles. Highly recommend leveraging those. The final thing I'm going to mention about this is not a static Excel spreadsheet. This is using analysis services connected to a live database with incremental jobs populated it, and this data can be updated up to every 7 minutes. So this can be near real time. Real time is using the SQL method, which is also, of course, possible within Northcraft. And out of the box, I shouldn't just say possible, it's included. So real time is included. Near real time using MDX against large data sets is included. And unstructured data as well, using the native connector to Hadoop, for example, with the Microsoft BI stack. So that's what we're looking at here, and we've now visualized how important our group is to the organization, and that is our topic for the day. Please let us know if you have any additional questions or you would like to see another type of report through the website. Thank you for your time.